Welcome to Extra Money. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting opportunity, GPT Infraprojects. Can this mid-cap infrastructure company grow 10x to reach a market cap of 15,000 crores? Let's analyze. GPT Infraprojects Limited is an Indian mid-cap company in the infrastructure and railway sleeper manufacturing space. With a market cap of 1,500 crores and an ambitious growth trajectory, it's worth asking, does this company have what it takes to become a multibagger? Let's break it down. First, let's look at GPT's numbers. Its revenue for FY24 is 1,000 crores, growing at a 27% year-on-year rate. PAT is 57 crores, an impressive 84% growth year-on-year. Order book around 3,610 crores, offering strong visibility for future growth. But can this growth sustain? Let's analyze its key segments and strengths. GPT has two major revenue streams. Infrastructure segment, which is 93% of revenue, comes from large-scale projects like metro viaducts, bridges, and elevated corridors. Sleeper manufacturing segment, which contributes 7% of revenue, is supplying concrete sleepers for Indian railways and export markets like Africa. With a foothold in both domestic and international markets, GPT is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the government's 10 lakh crore infrastructure push. Management has set ambitious goals. Revenue target is to double to 2,000 crores by FY27. PAT margins to be improved to 8% to 10% from the current 5% to 6%. Order book. Expansion, bid for projects worth 1,500 plus crores post-QIP. The Ghana facility is expected to start production in December 2024, adding 25 to 30 crores to Q4 revenues. Using a discounted cash flow (DCF) approach, we recalculated the intrinsic value of GPT. Projected EPS FY25, rupees 5.51. Intrinsic value, rupees 106 per share. The current market price of rupees 133 suggests GPT is slightly overvalued, but long-term potential remains intact if it delivers consistent growth. Let's see how GPT stacks up against competitors. L&T, 4.1 lakh crore market cap, PE ratio of 25x. Archon, 12,000 crore market cap, PE ratio of 12x. Ashoka Buildcon, 3,500 crore market cap, PE ratio of 15x. GPT's current PE ratio of 23x places it in line with mid-cap infrastructure players. Of course, no company is without risks. Heavy dependence on government contracts. High competition from larger players like L&T execution, challenges with larger projects. For GPT to achieve a 15,720 crores market cap, it needs revenue growth. Reach 6,000 to 8,000 crores annually. Profitability, scale PAT from 57 crores to 600 to 800 crores. Valuation, maintain or expand its current PE ratio of 23x. With a projected CAGR of 20% to 25%, GPT could realistically hit this milestone in the next 8 to 10 years if it consistently executes its plans. So, can GPT Infraprojects become a multibagger? The potential is definitely there, driven by strong order inflows, a robust infrastructure push, and international expansion. But investors must monitor execution risks and market conditions closely. What do you think? Can GPT grow 10x? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from Extra Money. See you next time.